Hi, I'm Michelle Dirkse from Michelle Dirkse Interior Design, and welcome to my home. Designing my own space was really challenging because I like so many different styles and I could only pick one. And also I wanted my project to be a wise investment. So I can completely relate to where clients are coming from in that they want their space to represent them personally, but they also don't want to waste money. This is my living room, and in my living room my goal was to make a space that was welcoming to guests and also nice and easy for me to relax and unwind. As an interior designer, I felt a lot of pressure in picking the right pieces, and in reality there are so many great pieces and so many sofas that I love, but since it was my own home and I could spend all the time that I wanted to, I designed a lot of pieces from scratch. So my sofa and my chaise I designed in AutoCAD and had those custom fabricated.
Take these with you.
Okay, great.
Study them, dream about them, and then go,
I am dreaming about them. In the living room, we gutted almost everything. So all new floors, all new walls, wallpaper, electrical, sconces, everything. I also removed the asbestos popcorn ceiling and discovered there was concrete. And I decided to leave that exposed so I could have the contrast of this kind of brutalist ceiling and a more refined living space. In designing my house, it was obviously an opportunity for me to take advantage of our new Textiles line, and so almost every fabric and surface in the home was made with our new line. The wallpaper is from us, the pillows are from us, the area rug, and it feels cool to see it all together in one space. I have a lot of new art for my house, including this new piece that I got from Seattle artist Mike Duria, and I love it. I love the size and the texture. I think it contrasts well with the wallpaper, and I also love that almost every piece I have in my home is made by someone that I know personally. So for my kitchen, since it's a smaller space, it's important to me that I use fewer finishes and that everything that can blend in should. So the dishwasher, the secret washer dryer, and the refrigerator are all panel ready so that they blend in with the other cabinetry. Also, one of the things that surprised me the most that I didn't realize I would love so much is this cast iron sink by Kohler. The white color blends in with the white counters, and I love that it's just so easy to use. I can wash like a cup in the morning and I'm just turning into the tidiest person that I never thought I would become. This is the new extension to my pre-existing kitchen. I decided to make it bigger because even though I don't cook a lot, I thought it was a wise investment for resale and future homeowners. So they can use this space for prepping and storage of pots and pans, and I can use it to store random things like office stuff and 10,000 candles. Since my house is on the smaller end, I didn't want to have a dining area taking up so much kitchen space, so I've moved it over here, and now my dining room is part of my living room. This is my bedroom, and I wanted to contrast the dark, moody headboard with the colorful wallpaper and bedding and these cute new lamps that Seattle ceramics artist Sarah Stokes made just for me. These are a few pieces that I had left over from my former space, and so I grouped them together to make a gallery wall. And I especially love this piece by my cousin Jessica. It talks about being cousins, and she made it for me when I was 16. For my lighting, I really wanted to bring in vintage pieces wherever I could. So my new living room sconces, my entry chandelier, and the tiny little surface mount fixture in my bedroom are all vintage. I found them on Cherish and First Dibs, and I spent probably 2 days searching, and I'm so happy that I did. This is my tiny bathroom, and since I couldn't move this concrete column, I had to work with the original footprint, so I just changed all of the finishes. So I have a new vanity cabinet that matches the kitchen, a new affordable white tile from Dow Tile with a custom pink grout, and I kept the original vintage bathtub. For my light switches throughout, I went with Forbes and Lomax, which has these cute vintage style switches, and I love the dimmer switch, and I also love the sound that this makes. I just think it's so cute. Thanks for stopping by and taking a tour of my house. If you want to see more of our projects or more of the Textiles line, you can visit us at michelledirkse.com. Bye!